And I am at the Quinault rainforest. I was at the whole rainforest earlier. This is the Maple Grove, I think, something like that. Trail. I don't know, it's the loop one that's by the visitor center. Oh man, look at all the moss growing all the way, completely, all the way up. Oh wow. Beautiful. Look at the moss on that one. Nice little creek meandering along the way. That gives it some really good depth there. Wow. How clear that water is. I drink that out. Water's clearer than my hand I drink it out of, I promise you that. Just look at the, wow. Beautiful. Sorry about that. To make sure to wipe the, dang it. I was saying wiping the rain off the lens. Trying to, man, look at that. Wow. Beautiful. Look at the ferns or the moss growing on that. Wow. Like drapes. Holy smokes, that's so cool. Oh, heard a squirrel somewhere. And anyway, when you come up here to these rainforests, don't be surprised when it's raining in the forest. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, wow. It's been a long time since I've been here. That's when I came back. Oh, man. Oh, man, look at this. Look how clear that water is. You can see straight through to the bottom if it wasn't raining, if it was still. Wow. Look at all this moss. I never get tired of the greenery, seeing all the moss and seeing all the ferns. Even got ferns growing in the trees. That's pretty cool. Holy smokes, man. Got a big ball of moss or whatever that is. See it over there? What is that? Yeah, a big old ball of moss. Yeah. Yeah, this is my final destination today. I don't know, I might stop by in Aberdeen, Kurt Cobain's Memorial Park. It's Ranger Station. Kestner Homestead. We're not going to Homestead. We'll go back this way. Oh man, look at that. Wow, that really puts it into perspective there. How thick it is. It'll take quite a bit of time to get from one side to the other, I can promise you that. You want to go off. Oh, there you are, buddy. You see him? I see you. Oh, I know how they're always so camera shy. There you go. Hey there, buddy. Yep. More squirrels. Look at this tree. Well, that'll keep you dry. And keep the wind off of you for the most part if you're exposed to elements. As you can see, there's water everywhere here. Not just rain. You see all that tree over there. Mushrooms, fungi. The microscopic decomposers. Seeing all this life come from death. Oh, look at the little mushroom. Look at her, just a little wee mushroom there, all protected. See it right there? Yeah, little wee mushroom there, just nice and chilling. Underneath there, got not a worry in the world. Wow. What kind of critter lives in there? You know what? I don't want to find out. I promise you that. Man, look at the moss. Just completely covered it. Draped. Of course, you got all your ferns everywhere too. Here it is, November 13th, Tuesday. And you know, it's in the, I guess, mid 40s, 46, 47 maybe. Rainy, not that windy, thank goodness. But you know, just, oh man, look at all the, there's your mushrooms all lined up. Man. Pretty cool. Alright. Anyway, oh man, look at the tree here. Like literally you can get up underneath this. That actually feels pretty good here. Relatively dry, considering you're in a rainforest. Hey, if you're ever out in the woods like this up in here, or anywhere and you're lost, that's the stuff you need to look for. Contingency plans. Anyway, that was, I guess, trail. Oh, psych. So much for brochures. Anyway, yeah, that was, the Quinault Rainforest Loop Trail here. I'll have it in the description, or in the title. So anyway, Western hemlock. There you go for the tree. Anyway, got to enjoy nature, people. Later.